You keep seeing this term everywhere, LLM. It's the thing that powers Gemini, ChatGPT, Cloud, all of them. And the name itself actually tells you what exactly it is. So let me decode it for you. Okay, so LLM stands for Large Language Model, and each word genuinely matters. Language because it works with words, human language. Model, that's just a fancy word for a system that learn patterns from data. And large. Okay, this is the wild part. These things are trained on basically all the text humans have ever written on the internet, like books, articles, website. One way to think about it, it's like a compression of almost all human written knowledge into one system. That's the large. It's almost incomprehensibly large. Okay, so how does it work? An LLM is basically a giant prediction machine. It reads what you type and predicts the most next likely word, then the next, then the next, building your answer one piece at a time. But here's the cool bit, it doesn't even read words like we do. It breaks everything into little chunks called tokens, sometimes whole words, sometimes part of words, and works with those. So when it answers you, it's not copy pasting from somewhere, it's generating a brand new response token by token based on patterns it learns from all that text. And the scale of this is genuinely hard to wrap your head around. These models have billions of internal settings called parameters. ChatGPT 3 alone had 175 billion of them. When training starts, those are basically random numbers, and just by reading, predicting the next word billions and billions of time, it slowly tunes all of them until it can write, reason, explain, and even joke. Nobody programs those skills in, it learned them by itself. But because it's predicting what sounds right, not what is right. I know it's incredible but not flawless. So that's LLM, a giant pattern machine that learned language from basically all of us. That's pretty wild we built that, right?